मेरे को घोड़े पे बैठने का है यार, लेकिन मैं कैसे चूतिया दिखेगा यार घोड़े पे बैठा तो कैसे दिखेगा मैं, तो बच्चे लोग बैठ रहे हैं। Oh my god. Oh my god. Again. Where's the pizza? He's sitting on the pizza. Oh god. Oh god. I hope he's not. I hope there's no pizza underneath his butt. पिज्जा किधर है? पिज्जा लेके मेरे को लगा बैठे उसके ऊपर। क्या बोलते हैं? चालू है? हाँ कैमरा है। Okay, I need to get some air. You know what the fuck happened is when I open this up, I get horrible wind blast, and as a result of which you can't hear anything. You can hear things, but it will not be that clear. So when I close it, the sound is really clear. I'm not saying that it's as clear as a sound which you hear in an auditorium or in a studio, but it is hearable. Yes. हिरवा हिरवा सिग्नल मला आवडतो का, हिरवा हिरवा सिग्नल मला आवडतो का. Oh yeah, it feels really awesome. Let me get some air inside. Fucking shit. Yeah. Okay. Where else can I go? I'm just thinking, where can I take you people? कहाँ लेके जाऊँ तुम लोगों को, कहाँ लेके जाऊँ तुम लोगों को, कहाँ कहाँ. माँ कसम क्या क्या लंबी बिल्डिंग बना दी यार. Look at this यार, कोहिनूर स्क्वायर. It feels good when you're like standing in the sweltering heat underneath the hot sun, and suddenly that green signal comes on, and you rev your bike and you twist the throttle, and suddenly go. Then a blast of hair, I'm sorry, not hair, किसी के बाल नहीं, air, it hits your face, and what happens is, and instantly you feel like a mentholyptus, like वो menthol का जो गोली खाते हो ना तुम, वो पूरे बदन पे तुम्हारे, and then you're back again. This is like basically that vada pav. Before they put that vada pav into that hot oil, this is what it is. This is what the vada pav must be feeling. And then when the bike waits at the signal, when you wait at the signal, and there is a lot of traffic jam, and there is a lot of sun, and there's a lot of heat, and that is the point where the vada pav is starting to get cooked in the boiling oil. By the time you reach home, you are as soft as a boiled potato. You are very sensitive. You become very sensitive to any comments from anyone, even your parents, relatives. I get very sensitive. Actually, I'm very sensitive right now. I may cry any moment. Lexi. I'm sure the guy wanted to put an S over there, sexy. Lexi is, by the way, a company which manufactures pens. But he couldn't, because imagine, like students, it would have been one of the most popular pens ever to hit the schools and colleges. Imagine a teacher going, students, bring your sexy with you and a notebook for the class next week. Imagine, you need such colorful things to happen. That's what makes life interesting. कोई भी मालिक हो जिसको पेन बनाना हो, लेक्सी वाले ने तो लेक्सी बना दिया, तुम सेक्सी बनाओ. We need sexy pen, sexy erasers. I need a bike to be named sexy. I don't want to like wait for people to call it sexy. Just name the goddamn bike sexy. इंट्रोड्यूसिंग द हीरो होंडा सेक्सी। रुकने का क्यों? शादी है, चल। आइला रुकने का नहीं, रुकने का नहीं, चलते रहने का। बाय द वे, दिस इज दी हनुमान मंदिर। आई एम अ डिवोटी ऑफ लॉर्ड हनुमान। पैसा डालने का क्या? पेट्रोल में डालने का पैसा? ओके, लेट्स स्पेंड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ आवर बजट। ओके, ओह माय गॉड, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ पब्लिक ओवर हियर। पब्लिक 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 पब्लिक। कैमरा चालू है क्या? देखने तो भाई, चालू तो है। मेरा वॉइस रिकॉर्डर भी चालू है। इसने नया बाइक लिया है, पैसा निकालना पड़ेगा है, निकालता हूँ। I just have to take out the money. Hey, माँ की आँख 100 का इनको दूँ? नहीं तो कोई दूसरा आके लेके जाएगा, कोई दूसरा आके लेके जाएगा। No, I'm feeling like drinking water right now. I don't have water in my body. यही रास्ता है तेरा। आईच्या गावात काय गरम आहे। हाँ, अरे कुछ करो, इतना गर्मी कहाँ से लाते हो? इधर से जाओ। सॉरी सॉरी, लेट मी गो फ्रॉम हियर, लेट मी गो फ्रॉम हियर। आई गो। मेरा पूरा घाम, मेरा ये स्वेट इज ऑल गोइंग ऑन माई शेड्स। आइला, शादी है। ओह हॉर्स, शादी है, शादी है। खाना खाने का है? यू वांट टू ईट फूड? वी कैन क्रैश द वेडिंग। नाइस हॉर्स। Whenever I see horse now, I get reminded about that movie Bajirao Mastani. I feel like riding a horse, although it's not easy. It's never easy to ride a horse. किधर जा रहा है मैं? Where the fuck am I going? कहाँ हूँ मैं? 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 चलो इधर से जाते हैं। अरे भैंचोद, किसने लगाया? ये पहले नहीं था स्पीड ब्रेकर। अच्छा किया, अच्छा किया, अच्छा। तो स्कूल एरिया में स्पीड ब्रेकर होना ज़रूरी है। Anyways guys, this is no time to get emotional. This is time to make monologues. लाइफ चलती रहती है, लाइफ बढ़ती रहती है, बढ़ती का नाम लाइफ है, करेक्ट? तो बढ़ते रहो, चलते रहो, लोग मिलते रहेंगे, चीज़ें मिलते रहेंगी। Experience everything till your last breath and be grateful. I'm really grateful, man. I'm grateful for you, for all you subscribers. I'm grateful for my laptop. I'm grateful for my phone. I'm grateful for this bike, this beautiful bike. I'm just grateful, man. I'm grateful. Oh God, bullets. I love this thing which is put over here. This thing here. It's good protection. Oh my God, look at this. He has put a fender over there. Right, nice. हाँ? नहीं, बात कर रहा है इसमें। क्या ले गए तुम? जाने दो। बाप रे। That guy looked intimidating, man. I don't want to get into a fight with him. अगर उसने मेरा वीडियो देखा रहेगा तो ज़रूर मेरे को मार डालेगा वो। ये लोग हाथ क्यों पकड़ते हैं यार? बॉयज़ लोग हाथ पकड़ते हैं इधर। हॉर्स, मेरे को घोड़े पे बैठने का है यार, लेकिन मैं कैसे चूतिया दिखेगा यार घोड़े पे बैठा तो? कैसे दिखेगा मैं? बच्चे लोग बैठ रहे हैं। हाउ विल आई लुक? Fuck, it's getting very hot here. I'm literally sweating buckets inside my helmet. क्या बेच रहा है ये? है Barbie dolls. So I'm not a Barbie kind of person. कितने का बेचते हैं ये? 350? नहीं नहीं, पूछा सिर्फ. 350 for a Barbie doll. Even I want some shade, yeah. But all these couples, they take all this shade, and single people like me, they cannot like stand or rest for a while. All the shades are taken by these couples. Bloody couples. Look at this shade. All I got is a pole. This little pole over here. That's all I got. Nice. I just park it for a while. It'd be nice if I put it down here. It's a good idea, right? Obviously, anything I do is a good idea. So here we are again. What? I'm really not able to take the weight now. Looks good. I wish I could take it up here so that I could do a proper video. This is good enough. Just I can't stand it. No wonder there are no people here. People must be sitting in their AC houses, offices, whatever. And I'm on this non-AC bike. Let me adjust it. Let me adjust it, my friends. Let me adjust this piece of shit equipment, which I am adjusting right now. Oh damn it. The piece of shit equipment is not fitting underneath the helmet. Crap. Let me adjust it before a vehicle bangs me behind. Lots of things. This is even more difficult than adjusting an underwear in public. Oh god. Oh, that feels better. That feels so good. Nice. Where's my glove? Oh, there it is. Merci beaucoup, my friends. So let's go. VIP Frenchy! Oh, sorry. I was speaking like a French man, so I just blurted that out. VIP makes an underwear known as VIP Frenchy. So that's the reason. That's the reason, my friends. So you can give me endorsements of VIP Frenchy. Sunny Deol gets Luck Cozy. I think Hrithik Roshan also does Amul Macho. Something macho, I don't know. Maybe. Yes. Come on. Come on, get out. Let me get out of here. You know, something happens to me when I see a BMW 760 Li or even a BMW 520D. Those front headlights are like, they're like, yeah. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. I don't want to take my clothes off. I'm sorry if I messed up the lyrics, people. घोड़ा खरीद ही लेता हूँ मैं, रुक. I'll buy a horse one day, wait.